Have you ever come across a platform where they can pay you $100 plus every week to teach what you love? Well, in this video, I am going to show you one amazing platform that will pay you to teach either is singing, drawing, exercising, business, whatever it is you know how to do. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chiamaka. We teach everything about money, from the mindset you should have to how you can work from home and earn in foreign currency. All right, so if that's what you are interested in, I want to specially welcome you to my channel and implore on you to please subscribe to my channel. This platform is called Cafe Talk, and I'm going to walk you through on how you can easily apply on this platform and start to earn over $100 every week. This platform is called Cafe Talk. What it says here, it says join a global team and share your skills and passion. Reach out to 150,000 students across Japan, Asia, and the world and start your online teaching career today. Bring your unique ideas, teaching styles, and skills to bear on the goals that each student has. So if you want to apply, you apply for an account and then you fill out your profile, you take a simple interview, and then you start to teach. All right, so let's apply as a tutor. This is where it's actually gets super exciting, right? They ask you, in what category would you like to teach? So if you click here, it shows you a lot of languages that you want. So let's just fill it. So I say English. We can click on other language that is not here. All right, so if you know how to play any instrument, this is for you. You have options of so many instruments that you can teach people how you can play them. So many. They have the piano, acoustic guitar, classical guitar, a whole lot of them, right? Now we come to art and design. If you know how to draw, if you know how to take pictures, and a whole lot, you can choose as many as you want to choose, right? Hobbies, right? If you know how to play chess, if you know how to cook, yes, and any outdoor activity, you can also choose that. We come to dance and ballet. If you know how to dance, this is for you, right? Very, very interesting. And here we have yoga, fitness, or sports. We have sports, we have workout, diet and nutrition, massage, Pilates, stretching, and a whole lot more. So you can choose as many as you want. This platform is so awesome that you will not be forced to teach what you don't know. The only thing that you are allowed to teach are the ones that you are specialized in. All right, let's keep it going. So we have lifestyle, organization skills, lifestyle pets, and all of that. We go to business. We have career achievements, qualifications, coaching, small business consulting, general business, investments, and advice. This platform is so awesome. Then we have academic tutoring. If you know SAT, Chiamaka, junior high, early childhood education, adult education, if you are experienced in any of these, you can go ahead and apply. IT and programming. Wow, they have a whole lot here to choose from. We have fashion and beauty. If you know how to do your hair, or if you know how to apply makeup, if you know how to sew, this is for you. Then we go to counseling, life advice, counseling by correspondence, and then spirituality, divination, spiritual practices. If you still have a unique skill that is not included on any of this, that's where you have to click on others. And as you can see, I put salsa dancing there because I know how to dance salsa. So after you've put whatever else that you know how to do there, you click on next. Alright, so after you get here, they will ask you, do you have a cafe student account? But you are gonna tell them no because you don't want to be a student. Then you click on all this. I'm not a minor, I am not a student, I am familiar with Skype or Zoom. I can conduct my own lessons. I can guarantee a stable internet connection. I am able to attend an interview conducted in one of the following. And of course, we have English here, so you are good to go. You put in your email address and then you apply, and you are gonna get a corresponding message that we've sent you an email with directions on how to register. Please follow the link on the email and continue. And that is how you apply to teach what you enjoy doing. And I urge everyone to explore that. I am going to drop the link to this platform in my description. Alright, so guys, if you really found this video extremely helpful, I want you to please subscribe to my channel and like. Thank you very much for watching this video, and until the next video, have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.